Bubble Puppy is hiding. Help find Bubble Puppy. Where do you think Bubble Pups is hiding? Click your remote control where you think he might be. Oh, it's Gil! Keep rocking, Gil! Try again. Where do you think Bubble Pups is hiding? Click your remote control where you think he might be. There's Molly. Hi, Molly. Try again. Where do you think Bubble Pups is hiding? Click your remote control where you think he might be. Yeah! There he is! Bubble Puppy wants to play again. Will you find him? Wow! It's Dima! Dima, your hair looks totally awesome! Let's keep looking for Bubble Puppy. There's Goby! We're looking for Bubble Puppy, Goby. See you later. Keep looking. You're sure to find him. Yeah! Fantastic! You found him! Do you see Bubble Pups? He's always studying the environment. He might not notice you looking for Bubble Puppy. Try again. There's Una. Hi, Una. Maybe Bubble Pups is close by. Try again. Yeah, you found him! Congrats! That was swim-sational! Right, Bubble Pups?